Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will make chicken stick kebab. This boneless chicken breast we will cut cube size. This chicken cubes. We are now making marinate this chicken stick kebab. We will put ginger garlic paste, some yogurt, salt, little turmeric powder and some chilli powder and garam masala powder. Little we will put and mix well. And keep it half hour, 30 minutes we are keeping this one. After we will put the frying pan, put little oil only, just and put chicken. We are actually make this barbecue, but we are homemade chicken stick kebab. We are make like this. Now coming well done the chicken. Keep it after. We are make some vegetables, capsicum, tomatoes, and onion. This tomatoes make dice, cutting this only skin like this, not take the inside. And onion also make 4 piece, this one cube size. And some mushroom also and stick. This make home very easy for the homemade this chicken stick kebab. Make onion, tomato, chicken and capsicum. Again capsicum, this color capsicum, this very nice looking. Again chicken and mushrooms also. Keep it like this. Make like this. Keep it. After put fry pan, put little butter or oil, anything. Put again little, make grill. Now our chicken stick kebab is ready. Thank you everybody. My channel, subscribe and make like and your comments also very important. Thank you.